are here, as you can tell by the title, with another duvet cover. Hopefully I said that right this time. One of y'all guys got me for not saying it right. It's a French term, she says, and it's called a duvet. So yes, I was saying it incorrectly in the last video, so I just want to make sure I touch it correctly this time. So duvet cover, we're here to change up some sheets, and I also got another filler, so we're going to be making this one a lot thicker than my last one. Why am I changing it so early? It's not because it's doing bad or anything. I'm just getting very annoyed with the silk, because every time I wake up it's like my bed sheets are like on the floor on the other side, or like my pillows are falling off. So I kind of want to go back to cotton, and I do want to get some type of color back in my room for my bed. So I did get a print this time, and I also got a reversible. So yeah, so I got the sheets, the filler, and the duvet all off Amazon. I'm not gonna go much into the filler and the sheets because that's not what this video is about, but I will go over the duvet. But I will leave the link to both the filler and the sheets down in the description below, so if you want it. The filler is great. I got the same filler that I got the last time. Okay, so this is the duvet cover. This is the Kosa bedding duvet cover set, 100% cotton bedding, blue banana leaves pattern printed duvet cover with zipper closure, soft comforter cover set, reversible pattern bedding for all seasons. And I did get this in a queen set, and this was $32.99. So one thing that I'm glad it is that it's a zipper closure rather than the button closure, because the last one was a button closure and they just kept popping off because I like to kick a lot. So if you had the buttons on the opposite side, I think I wouldn't have kicked them open as much as I did, but I was kicking them open and my foot would get into it, and it was just a whole ordeal. So I'm really glad it's a zipper because it'll be a lot harder to accidentally open it up. I got some purple sheets. Yeah, it was weird. I just wanted light color sheets. I didn't want black, though they did have black. And then we have the filler, another filler, so we're going to be doubling up the filler with my last filler that I bought in the other video, and then this filler, so it's going to be thick. So in my last video of the duvet cover, I did receive my mattress cover a couple days later, so that's why I didn't review this, but it's actually worked out very well for me. And I was seeing reviews about people spilling stuff and it not protecting its mattress. Like, I mean, my mattress is already messed up, but I just don't want it to be more messed up than it already is. So I've already spilled like 3 things since I got this, and it's protect my mattress further on. I literally just spilled makeup, my makeup eyeliner, because it's all liquid. I literally tipped the bottle upside down. I don't know how I did that. I guess I was thinking it was thicker, but it literally, all the liquid came out and just went right on the mattress pad. I was like, oh my god. But it didn't touch the mattress, so that's good, because I'm actually thinking about changing out my mattress, and I want to test out new mattress covers before I get my new one, because I'm gonna try to protect that one rather than this one, because this one I hadn't had no mattress cover whatsoever for like the longest. But after that little rant, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and make this bed. So we have the filler, we have the sheets, we have the duvet cover, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Okay, let's get into it. Okay guys, so that is it for this try on for the duvet cover. I really like this print. Oh my goodness, I was thinking it was a little bit more vivid, but I honestly like this faded look. It got like a vintage faded look, and I really like that. The colors are beautiful. Oh my goodness, it really matches what I'm wearing right now. I'm thinking I'm gonna do my nails, so and it's actually gonna be kind of close to this color, and I'm just feeling it. I'm just feeling it so much. I love it. It feels so soft, and I did realize I did get like a kind of soft sheet cover or bed sheet set, so underneath I think I shouldn't get too hot. It says cooling, so hopefully it could be cool. I did double up again with the filler, so I have two, and man does it feel heavy, so I really like that. It's so good that you could put two fillers in there. I'm not sure if you're supposed to, but I literally was like, well, I'm gonna put extra. It was hard. I was struggling with it. The first one was easy. It was just like the first time. I didn't have any trouble putting in the first time, but the second one I was like, okay, this is a problem. So if I ever did this again with the two fillers, I will probably just put them together and put both corners in as two instead of trying to do it separate times, if that makes sense. Like instead of like do the first filler and then the second filler, I'll just put both fillers together and put them in the same time. That's what I would do the next time, and hopefully that kind of eases that process out. But I was trying to line them up and stuff, and it was just not working. Okay. Yeah, it turned out really good. I really like it, and I definitely recommend this set. Like, oh my goodness, like, and it's reversible. Like, so I have it on this blue side if I wanted to, but I really like these leaves. Like, oh my god, they're so pretty. So pretty, guys. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you like it. If you did, leave a like, comment down below, and consider subscribing if you're not already. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.